uRuth uma ngabe ezofika la ufika la uyazi-introduce ngithi
Yeah.
ufike ezweni ngesila
Yeah.
uyazi-introduce hayi mina ngiwumalokazana wakanawo ngafela umyeni wami yazeka nje
Yeah.
yazeka for the fact that ngizongena without ukwazeka eland mfethu izimpi zonke zeBhayibheli umuzi suse move yale was about land and authority and waters are the mother
Hey, my dad.
of the land.
Ish.
That is why uma ngabe esewubhubhisile umhlaba ngamanzi ngesikhathi sika Noah. The Bible says wadabuka wasifunga ukuthi angiphinde. Because ngiphoqa unina ukuthi abulala umntanakhe. Ngiphoqa unina ukuthi alethe destruction. Iland ayisiki kuba nje sinyathela lapha ezikwayo inempilo enkulu ezweni likamoya ekhandwa ngezivumelwano izivumelwano zama-altar. So if we open the portal in the spirit of violate land siyazidisqualifya. Angikwazi ukuletha iprofeti ezingabathanda abantu phela isiprofeti okufuna siyise ku-intercession and umuntu who has never prophesied something positive about your land, like never. Why kufuneke at this moment umlalele? Khona abazali banga-occupy nanto nje abane-influence. Hayi nokuthi occupy une-influence uyezwakala
Mayikhulumile.
use that influence. Lizakala iphimbo lebandla in the matter.